Hey, we are back at our secret test facility, deep in the mountains, or deep in the Mojave Desert, and we have a Clipped Wing Cub. Okay, one of about, I think there's either 3 or 4 of these in country right now. So I've been given the honor and privilege of taking this particular demo plane to Arizona Electric Fest, which is next weekend in Mesa, Arizona. And today is just a trimming flight. I'm just gonna confirm the CG where I have the battery. This plane's already been trimmed out and assembled by Jason Merkel. I had the opportunity to fly it with him a couple of weeks ago, actually. And here we go. Okay. This is a trimming flight, so let's see how she works. On the grass, no less. Here we go. Alright, timer started. She's in the air. We have a fairly decent breeze coming from, well, essentially where I'm kind of facing. Okay, she's doing really good. She got a little left trim in her, but hey, nothing too serious. We're going to go right into some aerobatic work. Why not? Let's bring her up, and there's some vertical for you, okay? As you can see, she's not lacking for vertical in any stretch of the imagination. She's doing really good, okay? This is, now again, I have not flown this plane for a while, but yeah, she's doing really good. This is on a 3S 2200, and I'm flying her on a 40C, I think. Okay, so she's doing really good. There's a little bit of a left tendency in her. I'll get that trimmed out here. There we go. Nice aileron roll. Okay. I got a little bit of up. I'm going to take out, and we're going to dial in some right. And that cured it. As you can see, now she's flying pretty much straight. Okay. I'm going to do some more down. You probably heard the clicking. Sorry for the sun. Okay, let's line her up and go into a nice big old loop. How about that? Okay, loops are effortless. Hopefully you can see this. I'm on my good old-fashioned hat cam. Let's go and put her up into a hammerhead. Oh, nice. Oh, she does the hammerheads like she's designed for them. Just a little bit more down. Okay, this is a trimming flight. I got the battery about 1 inch from the firewall. Okay, yeah, so she is not lacking for power at all. We've got her trimmed out now. It took just a couple of clicks, and yeah. So, okay, we got a couple more minutes yet, and again, it's a pretty decent wind. So, I don't know, 5 to 8. But hey, so we're gonna slow her down just a bit. As you can see her crabbing by the wind. And I don't want to stall this thing, because if I do, then, yeah, the demo plane is toast. So, again, as I fly this thing around, there's only 3 or 4 of these in the country right now. So we're going to do another loop. Sorry for the sun. Yeah. In fact, you know what? We're going to do a loop by half throttle. We're going to do a twist at the top. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, and as always, you know, your mileage may vary, your results may vary, but the bottom line is, with regards to power systems, okay? A lot of folks were concerned or were voicing their opinions before they'd even flown yeah, she's hanging in there. I always got to watch my tower. There's that tower right there. Look at that, over the moon. But they're always voicing their opinion about, well, does it, you know, the AT6, for example. We'll use the AT6 for example. Well, does it need, you know, is you know, 3S enough, and this and that? And it's like, dude, fly the thing first. There's a knife edge locked in. Okay. And you know, it's so big, it's a 1,500 millimeter wingspan, and it weighs 4 pounds, and oh my god, is 3 cell going to be enough? And Of course, nobody's flown it yet, but everyone's, you know, oh my God, it's not going to fly well. Well, it rocks on 3S. Now, our friends in England, you know, Dino, they flew theirs on 4S. Well, okay, great. More power to you. You know, the plane will do well on 4S, but it's really not designed for it. And the motor, what's even worse is the motor really isn't designed for it. The ESC could handle it, as Jeff Foxworthy would say, but it remains to be seen whether the motor will handle it. But it does great on 3S. Well, this plane does great on 3S too. We're lining up for final right now. We're bringing her on final. We're gonna go half throttle. Okay, coming down off a 40% throttle. Now we're gonna do a go around. Let's do a go around. We're too far down. I want to land her kind of in front of us. So hey, all right. Let's try that again. But no, this plane's flying great on 3S, and I've got no desire, gumption to fly her on 4S. Okay, the speed comes off, or the throttle comes off, the speed comes off. Plane does come down quite a bit. Oh, look at that. All right. Okay. And we're in some pretty decent grass. Let's see if she'll taxi through the grass and through the bumps. And she does. Look at this. All right. Look at this. Okay, she's doing great. All right. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, we have about 1:23 left. We're flying her on a 7 minutes on the timer. So let's see where we're at let's do the famous battery check. Okay. By the way, hi Robert and Blaj in Slovenia, our friends in Slovenia. Okay. All right, here we go. Okay. Don't know if you can see this. We're at 27%. So we're right where you want to be. We are right where you want to be on a 3S. Or right where you want to be on really any pack. Okay, so let's unplug her real quick. Let's make the plane safe, if you will. Okay, so we're going to show you some things here. So this is where I have my battery, about a finger back, well, a just wing it finger back from the bulkhead. Pretty much centered in the battery compartment, top to bottom. And that's a 3S 2200. And the CG is just about right. She's just about dead neutral. I don't know if you can see this or not. This is where I'm balancing it. Basically, at the thickest part of the wing, which is where I'm balancing. I can't really see it, so that's going to make for bad video. Whatever. Okay. Yeah. So as you can see, there's significant reinforcements in the front part of the plane. So there's carbon reinforcements, and there's carbon reinforcements the length of the nose. Okay, this is an E-flite. It's a 10 sized outrunner, and it's 1000 kV, and it's not warm at all. So there you go. Okay, all right. Yeah, this thing is very nice. Okay, the canopy has two little prongs that go into the top part, and there's rare earth magnets that magnet the motor hatch on. Okay, there you go. Okay, well, the calico there in the background, as usual. Turn the box off. Okay, pilot's impressions. What a fantastic scale looker. From the wheel pants, she has articulated landing gear. I'll show you here. See, look at that. She has articulated landing gear. I don't know if you can see that. Hope you can. It's a little sideways. But wonderful, vivid color scheme. The sunburst, they call that the sunburst scheme. Color scheme. Even have the traditional Cub lightning bolt down the side. Just a beautiful model, and she flies great, I think. I'm going to have no desire to fly mine. This is just a demo model, mind you. But I have no desire to fly mine on 4S. It's going to be 3S all the way, plain and simple. Just like my AT6, by the way. You know, I know Dino was zipping his around on 4S, and it looks great. I'm just not into that. This is not my thing. You know, hey, to each his own. I'm going to keep mine on 3S. I think the AT6 flies awesome on 3S, and this flies awesome on 3S too. As you can clearly see, there is no lack of vertical. Okay, this is not a 3D ship. If anything, it's closer to a pattern ship, really, but it's a scale aerobatic model at heart. Okay, she's a scale aerobatic model at heart. That's what she's designed for. She's got the looks. She's got the looks. Yeah. So I say a winner. I say 5 out of 5 stars on this one. It's definitely a 2 thumbs up. Okay. We're gonna stick a 3S 2200 50C battery in here and see if we get just a little bit more punch. And I think that's about as far as I'm gonna go. Oh, other thing, almost forgot. The spring, the rear gear is a pull. So if you can see this, you got pull on the springs on the wheel. Hopefully you can see that. Okay. If not, I'll take pictures. I'll post pictures. Okay. All right. Hey, I hope you like this sneak peek, first look at the new E-flite Clipped Wing Cub. 2 thumbs up. Happy landings, everybody. Cheers.